How would you describe ham radio? The title may seem catchy. I'm not asking about how you describe ham radio in 2026. I'm saying if somebody comes up to you that's never known or never heard, or at Field Day, which starts tomorrow, and the public comes up and says, ham radio, I might have heard of that. What do you do in ham radio, or what's it for? What would you say, or what's your little spiel that you lay out to try to explain it? I mean, when I'm at gas stations, like in my work truck, I get 5, 6 antennas on there. And everybody always has to come up. Hey, what is all those antennas for? What? I tell them it's for ham radio, and and either they've heard of it and their grandfather used to do it, and they think it's not around anymore, or they're like, what's that? And you got like one line to get them interested to know what you're doing, so you don't sound like a fool, right? So I'll just give them something like, well, this is ham radio, also called amateur radio, and we use radio waves to communicate across the state, across the country, or across the world, using radio waves from radio to radio, or satellites as repeaters, repeater towers, or the surface of the moon to exchange information and meet new people across the globe. I'll kind of give them something like that, and you'll know right off the bat. They're like, yeah, okay. Or they're like, wow, the moon? Oh, satellites? What do you mean? Field Day is an open house for ham radio, and you may have some people come up to your club tomorrow. Do the people that are representing your ham radio club or Field Day event, do they have the talking? I mean, did you appoint somebody that's really good with the public that'll give them an idea when they ask? I mean, at our Vero Beach Club, you got Jan, you got John, you got Jim. There's a lot of J's in there. Moto Jim, and retired Jim, and engineer Jim. There's a lot of guys, but they'll have a way to invite the person who's asking into learning more. So leave in the comments below. This is a quick video. Leave in the comments below and tell me how you describe ham radio. And I mean, you don't have to go nuts on this person that's asking, but that very first impression, you want them to understand. Some people are genuinely interested. They may work on cell phone towers. They may be into land mobile radio in a commercial, career, and they've heard about it, but man, they don't want to ask those guys on the towers. They want to ask you at a gas station or a park to find out why you're riding around with antennas on your vehicle, or why you have all this stuff set up in a public park. That is, education for the general population. And to keep this hobby going, we got to get people that are interested, and they may tell somebody who knows somebody who's in ham radio, and boom, there you go. Somebody else's family's got another leg in the ham radio to get more people on the air. So leave your comments below. Enjoy Field Day tomorrow. Remember, open house. You want Field Day to be not a contest, not a bore fest. Go out there and try new things. I'm bringing the portable Earth Moon Earth setup to the Vero Beach Club tomorrow, and I'm going to try to get them the first EME contact on UHF for the club on Field Day. I could show a few people that are interested there, and maybe somebody else will pick up that and see it in person. But I think it would be pretty fun to show somebody something different at Field Day. So leave your comments below. Have a good time. 7-3.
Ham Radio Concepts is brought to you by HamRadioPrep.com. It's never been easier to learn about ham radio before you take the exam. And Ham Radio Prep makes it fun and guarantees your success. Visit HamRadioPrep.com. Use the code ERIC20 to instantly save 20% off every course you buy. Remember the name, HamRadioPrep.com.